Charlie Cushane here to do another mod, but this time it's to my 2009 Chevy Traverse. It has a problem with aging and something that broke on the inside, so let's take a look. Okay, so what you see inside my Traverse on this instrument cluster, there's a sliding armrest here, but this used to have a roll top style piece, but it's so old, 10 years old, this plastic is all deteriorated and is breaking. As you can see, it's broken into a whole bunch of pieces, and there's no real way for me to fix it. I've tried. If you try to put it together out here, you can't get it in without taking the entire thing apart, which I don't want to do. So my goal today is to make a piece of wood that'll fit in here, create a platform, because this is, and then I'm gonna wrap it in a material that looks like this. And that will serve as a nice platform for what I need it for. So let's get started. So I know that this end has a shape. It's about a 1/16 of an inch. And if I make a mark here, 1/16 of an inch, and find the center, it's 3 1/16. Then I know it has a gentle curve that's similar to this. And I can cut or sand that. All right, and then the corners have a 1 inch, roughly 1 inch circle. So I'll put that on here. Time for a test fit. So unless it's sanded, it's going to rest on this surface right down here in these little bumps. So let's see how it all fits. Perfect. And a little clearance, as I had planned. That clearance is for when I wrap it in this gunmetal. It looks like carbon fiber. It's going to be gunmetal carbon fiber I'm going to wrap it in. It's not really a black or a silver, so I ordered gunmetal and hope it looks very similar to this. So that'll be nice. Okay, today I received the sheet of gunmetal carbon fiber adhesive. So this will go on here, and I'll wrap it around the corners and tuck it around the bottom side over this piece of wood that I made. But in case I don't get the corners perfect, and of course I won't do the whole bottom, I'm going to spray with this gray paint. Okay, now it's time to apply the vinyl. Now I've never done this before, and from what I've been told, you cut it roughly to size, stick it on, heat it up, and fold it over. So we're going to try that out, and hopefully it will work good. So let's get started. There we go. Make sure our piece is nice and clean. I'm just going to estimate the middle to be right there. So you don't need it too hot. That's pretty good. It's wrapped around the corners, around the sides. Now we need to go try it out in the car and see how it fits. Okay, now for the final fit. Perfect. It's pretty good. I like it. It doesn't exactly match this. The gunmetal maybe is a little lighter than this, but physically fitting, it can go either way. And you can lift it up, take stuff out, close it. And normally, this is where GPS sits when it's not on the dash. Like when we go in stores and stuff, this is where we put it, right here. So that will work out perfect. Excellent.